Hello, little explorers. Welcome to the world around us. Today, we have a very special lesson. We are going to learn about family. A family is made up of people who love and care for each other. Look at this cozy house. Who lives inside? Let's find out. Look there. This is your grandfather, your dada. This is your grandmother, dadi. This is your father, Abu, Baba, Daddy. This is your mother, Mama. This is your brother, Bhai. This is me. ये आप हो. Look over there. This is an uncle. This is an aunt. And look, a friend to play with. This is a cousin. Grandparents, parents, brothers, and sisters, they all make a family. Now tell me, how many members are there in your family? There are four members in my family. What does your father do? My father is a. Okay, little explorers, now take out your worksheet 7. Subject: the world around us. Topic: my family. Name: class, section. Date: today is 12th March 26. My family. Now here draw an oval, two dots for eyes, a smile, and a rectangle and a little beard, ears, and a circle for glasses. This is your grandfather. Now here draw an oval, two dots for eyes, a smile, and a triangle, ears. Now a dupatta. This is your grandmother. Now draw an oval in this box, a neck, a rectangle, two dots for eyes, a smile, ear. This is your father. Draw an oval, eyes, smile, ears, a triangle. This is your mother. Now color the dress of your mother of your favorite color. This is. Now in this box draw your brother, oval, eyes, a smile, neck, and a rectangle, ears, and a spiky hairs. This is your brother. Now this is me. This is your picture. A smile. Now here, these are your grandparents, parents, and you and your brother. Now there are your uncle and aunt. And these are your cousins. Okay, have you completed your worksheet? Great job, explorers. See you next time on the world around us. Bye bye.